Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to use Disk Cleanup in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To use Disk Cleanup in Windows 11, you can do the following. Click on the Start menu, type Disk in the taskbar's search box. Select Disk Cleanup from the results. Select the drive letter for the disk you wish to clean. Click the OK button to start Disk Cleanup. The Disk Cleanup scans your system's C drive. Under Files to delete, select the file types to delete, click OK. Click Delete to confirm. This process can take several minutes to complete. That's it. Very simple and very easy.